met his untimely end in a catastrophic car accident on November 9th, 1966, while driving his Aston Martin DB5, led to the immediate replacement of McCartney with an imposter known as Fall, in quotations, short for Fake Paul. Fall believed to be surgically altered stand-in from a pool of candidates, including Canadian actor William Campbell, or a mysterious figure dubbed, in quotation marks, Billy Shears, was hastily trained to mimic McCartney's mannerisms and musical style. The cover-up was orchestrated to prevent mass hysteria among fans and to safeguard the Beatles' lucrative empire, which was generating millions in revenue.